We have got banners finally up, and one for the other side as well, as you can see from here. That is very nice indeed. The golden banners are out. 24th of May. It's very promising still. And yes, I like the detail of the golden shine for it. We are officially from 2 weeks Friday opening day for it, and look at this. It's just so exciting knowing that we are close now. Oh, to see it in person, I'll tell you what. I forgot all about it. I was on the bus. I was like, oh, I forgot I haven't seen these yet. I've seen it from one of the people on social media saying they've got the banners up now. But actually, when I was on the bus, I've totally forgot about it. And it's just nice to see a bit advertising now to say it is officially there. 24th of May, UK's biggest roller coaster and the fastest as well. It's soon going to be opening. 2 weeks Friday. And we got some nice banners. Very pleased with it, very pleased, and I'm glad that they've actually got one on the other side as well, as you can see behind me. Same ones on the other side, and this is more better this side because you can actually see it without trees being in the way, and it's perfect. It really is nice. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy myself today and watch the test runs, hopefully. Bank holiday Monday. But yes, 2 weeks to go. Can't believe we're so near. It's got to be said, quiet day car park today, but it's going to be quite busy. I don't know what to expect throughout the day, but it's 12 o'clock now, so I've just arrived. And yeah, we're in my brand new branded show for Thorpe Park, and I really do like it. I'm looking forward to see what other styles or branding stuff they've got in line, but it looks like they've got more on the way. So yes, I will show you at some point again today. If you haven't seen the Thorpe Park branded yet, this is one of them. It's navy and I do like it, and yeah, I would show you that at some point today actually, just to remind people there is branded stuff now you can get. But in terms of like what you can see the car park, it's like a normal day, but it's bank holiday Monday, so it's kind of restricted for some annual pass holders today. For me, it's platinum for the first time, and I thought, why not come down and see how things are and show you about what my date of updates are about today. But really, we are 2 weeks away from the big day. It might be gloomy, but that colour skyline of the track is unreal. So yeah, let's go in. Come and join me today, like always. And be sure to subscribe to be seeing the final few updates. Come and join me. So these are the brand new merch I was telling you about. You might have not seen them yet, but if you have, I'm just going to repeat it to the new audience. These are the new branded sweatshirts and t-shirts over there. I'm just going to show you. The sweatshirts are, where is it on here? £48. So it's a nice decent colour, and it goes well with the bucket hat as well. And you've got more over here as well. So you've got like a green colour with a blue brand to it, and these are £25 by the way, because I've got one, and these are the ones I've got right now. So hopefully we see more colours and different shirts later on. But yeah, it tells you here £25 if you want navy or the green one in style to represent the resort. And yeah, these will be here for a while. And the sweatshirts already, as you can see, I'm going to have to go to Island Shop as well, but it looks like these are going really well at the moment, very demanding as well. So yeah, I think these are going to go on to a winner this year. I think they were saying these are going really well at the moment. But yeah, if you want one, you get Merlin discount as well, 20% if you're gold or platinum pass as well. From 48 will be 20% off from those, or if you're silver pass, you get 10% off for those as well. So yeah. Why not get one of those? They are really nice. So, it has been tested round, but unfortunately I missed it. But it's not the end of the world because I've been there many times. But yeah, so doing some tarmac on the floor, extended queue lines are still going in. But really, it's all about waiting around to see when the test runs happen again. But they are going to test apparently still, but there's one train going around at the moment at this current form. They have been tested this morning, they said to me, but it's all about waiting the next test runs I've seen today. That is your new camera, if I'm correct. You might see in the hour just now. It's finally gone round, and look at it. Woo. Here we go. Woohoo! It's getting real, it's getting real. It's been quite a long day for test runs, and look at it. It's just getting real now. Just a couple of more weeks to go till the big day, and we are super close. And yeah, I've been here for 3 hours from 12 o'clock to 3 to see the first one today. They were testing in the morning, they were sorting out technical issues. I think there have been some training as well, and really it's all about making sure everything's all good and nice and smoothly, and it's all about the big day. Everybody's here around the area waiting for that test run, and I've seen that now. It's got to be the 5th or 6th time I've seen that now. It's been a long afternoon, but the weather hasn't been great. But yeah, it's looking very, very nice. Good to see Hyperia testing a bit more now than it was earlier throughout my visit today. And it's just nice to see many of you at the park as well to support all the things I put into. Each day I'm waking up right now, it's just I feel quite emotional, like really thinking we are so close. But it's sad to say it is close towards the final day of my construction series, and I am going to miss them. But I've been very, very lucky. On my days off, I've been able to be down Monk's Walk, being on park, to witness all the big things. Oh, it's going round again. I've got to be honest, I'm loving it now. Everybody's, well, kind of coming down here, but I'm loving it. It's really happening. Just look at this. Oh, unbelievable. Here we go. Oh my word. Honestly, shout out to the team who's operating that right now. They've been looking out the mirror all day. Mirror? Window all day, should I say. They've been looking out the window most of the day. Now I'm here. There's so much smooth tests going on now than it was early on in the day, and this is really getting exciting. So yeah, it's getting exciting now. And that is your update for the time being, and that has to be said. Very nice banner. And that is it for the time being. I would say 2 more to go, or 1 more at least. Let's see how I feel now. But we are to the end of a chapter now of its construction series of Hyperia. But this today, ladies and gentlemen, oh, it's the golden sign. This is the place to be on the 24th of May 2024, UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Monday, the golden time. It's Wetherspoons Monday Club, Stella on it tonight. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to see more, and I will see you all very soon. What a sign. Anyway, that is one of the most loveliest signs. Been wondering when that was going to display that at some point, but we are so close now. We are so close. But until next time, I'll see you all soon.